Alrighty, figured I'd do a trade recap this month. This will be the first month that I am doing this. My last couple months have been profitable as well. 729 last month in May. And 545 for this month. Anyways, starting with June, starting to get on track now, figuring things out, so figured I'd start making this and just stay consistent whether I am winning or losing. But these are my trades, and obviously this month was not that great. I do trade NASDAQs. I like to day trade, usually in and out within like 30 minutes to an hour tops, but learn from Tim Sykes, Tim Grattani, Stephen Dux, Roland Wolf, Kyle, several traders. Been doing it for quite a while now, piecing it together finally, but like I said, this month has not been that greatest, so I want to take a look at, I would say probably my worst trade this month, which was right here at the end of the month, which has been a common theme. But so here's a chart. This is on the 27th, and what I primarily like to do is what I was looking at, I'll go start with that, was there was some volume. And I'm a multi-day runner. That's what I usually like to look at, is the stocks that have a lot of volume, which it did on this day, and try to get in there. I don't know what I've been doing lately, but I've been kind of pushing it. I'm trying to get that $1,000 month mark. Don't know why I'm trying to do that, as it doesn't fit. I'm trading small. I've only been trading with $1,000 per trade. But anyways, there was some massive volume. There was some PR. I don't even really know what it was. Probably would. But I just saw volume, saw it spiking. I was like, oh, I'm gonna rush into this bad boy. Big mistake, obviously. But at pre-market this day, I think it topped like at 6 or something like that. 530. That random wick right there. It could have possibly hit that. I honestly don't know. I don't think so. It does have a big volume bar right there. But anyways, so I was thinking, man, I'm just buying the dip. Buying the dip has massive volume. Can't go down that much further. I'll set my risk point. Waited. Set my risk point at that low day, 432. And I think I got executed right in here somewhere. I saw the volume was still a little bit higher. I was like, you know what? I think this is gonna rip through that, and then it just keep going. My problem was this big snap down right here. That's shorts. It's either selling or shorts, and I'm pretty sure some shorts slammed in a little bit because there was resistance at that 5 mark. Goes up here, starts uptrending. I'm like, okay, got it. Breaks the highs, breaks it past a little bit. I'm like, right here, this green mark, I was like, it's gonna start ripping. And at volume, snaps down. Okay, breaks it by like a cent or two, but it's still up here for this next candle. So I'm like, I'm gonna stay in it. I think it can rebound. I think it just barely set a lower high. I think this is now where it starts uptrending and it squeezes out those shorts, breaks that 5 mark, and just starts ripping. Okay, down 5 minutes later, boom, breaks it, snaps low a day. Should be cutting. There's no ifs, ands, or buts. I should be cutting right there. It's proven to me I'm wrong. I did not have the right thesis. I need to get out. Even give me a little rebound. Nothing. I just decided, you know what? I'm fine. Right here, sits even lower. Uptrends. It's a good solid uptrend. I'm like, oh man, this is it. Okay, maybe. I'm holding and hoping at this point, right? Still haven't taken anything off. Still in my average up here. 453 is what it was. Still holding. Could have cut right there. Even a little bit higher than where my risk was. Nope. Slams down again. Right? Boom. Get in there. Slams again. I'm still in here. I'm like, dude, what am I doing? This is going way lower than I thought it could. All the way down to 378. I'm just like, why? Why do I do this to myself? Like, I just don't understand. So anyways, coming back up here, still holding. Like, oh, okay, it's gonna bounce off 4. Was thinking about adding, but last month I had a big loss, $320 loss, which was big for me. From adding on losers, I was like, no, don't do it. That's probably the only good thing I did on this trade. Sell right in here. So then at 414, 415, almost top tick this before it slams down again, and then just does whatever it does. Ends up ripping back towards the end of the day, which adds more insult to injury, but just not a good trade overall. I did have somewhat of the right thesis of what it could possibly do. Even tries to squeeze shorts later in the day right here, break a new high a day, but just didn't have the juice, didn't have the volume. So pretty upset about that. It's all good. So this is my best trade of the month. My 317, 21% winner on kit. I did go a little bit bigger, roughly a $1,500 position compared to the rest of the trades this month. And looking back on it, yeah, I did nail it, but in my head it was a lot more solid, set in stone than I think it really was. I was looking at these resistance points, basic support and resistance, had solid volume, had a catalyst on the day. Like I said, it reached up here, 42 cents on the day. I was buying it all the way down. I think I got executed at 29 cents, which is pretty solid dip buy, but I was only risking that 27 cent low right here. So risking 2 cents. 3 minutes later, roughly, sell at 36 because I realized, you know what? I think I'm just forcing trades a little bit. Could have held, could have gone through better, whatever. Bought the dip, done all that, but really, there's no trade for me in this trade. Maybe there, but it's not good risk reward. And just slammed down and then just fading the rest of the day. But those are my 2 best trades. I don't know, we'll go from here and see what we're doing. Just trying this out. We'll see where we're at next month. Thank you.